Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. This is Suyash Goyal signing in, and I hope that you all are doing fantastic and you all are having a good time going on till now. So I welcome you all in this YouTube session for class ninth. Once again on Unacademy YouTube channel for class ninth and 10th students. So guys, again we are here, and this time the topic that we are going to take is your important questions that we will be discussing from surface areas and volumes. Okay, so very important chapter. So when I'm talking about this particular chapter, guys, if you see, the importance of this chapter actually increases. Just a moment. Yeah, so when we talk about surface area and volumes, so the same chapter we have in class 10th as well, the same chapter we have in class ninth as well. All the concepts that we will be obtaining, that we will be learning in class 9, they will be used automatically in class 10th. Okay, so whatever surface area and volumes you will be learning in ninth, it is completely interrelated to the surface areas and volumes that you will be learning in class 10. That is why it becomes very important for all of us to be very clear with each and every concept. Today, in this particular session, guys, I will be telling you the formulas that we have for your surface areas and volumes, and we will be talking about some important questions that we have from this particular chapter. Okay, so all those who do not know me, guys, my name is Suyash Goyal. I'm an engineer by profession but teacher by heart, and I have more than 1,30,000 followers on Unacademy. I have been teaching mathematics to class 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th students on Unacademy. So before these categories, I have been a part of Unacademy CAT category. I've been a part of Unacademy SSC CGL category, and now I'm taking care of mathematics for these classes that we have. You all can follow me, guys, on my profile. You can simply Google Suyash Goyal Unacademy, and the first link will be of my profile. You will be redirected over there, and there you can find all my courses, which includes all the plus courses that we have on Unacademy that I have made till now. That includes all the special classes. So special classes are free. Okay, you can go through all the special classes without any subscription. If you want to attend plus courses, then you would need to take Unacademy plus subscription. And apart from that, you can also go from all my free courses you can access from there. Okay, so these three things are available on my profile. Also, if you follow me, then you will be able to get all the notifications, all the updates about all my upcoming classes and sessions. Okay, so now let's proceed with that, guys. शुरू करते हैं अपनी कहानी. So let's crack it. This is my referral code, as you can see. Okay, Suyash Live. This is my referral code. You can use this code SUYASHLIVE. Using this code, you will be able to get flat 10% discount on the subscription charges. Okay, so now let's proceed forward, guys, and let's talk about what we have for today. Before that, I would just like to give you a short glimpse about Unacademy Plus subscription. So basically, guys, as you can read out over there, when we talk about Unacademy Plus, so on Unacademy Plus, what we have? On Unacademy Plus, we have the live classes for all the subjects. Okay, we have live classes for all the subjects daily. Every day we will be having the live classes for what? So every day we will be having the live classes for English. We will be having the live classes for Hindi. We will be having the live classes for science. We will be having the live classes for your mathematics. We will be having the live classes for social science, and so on. So every subject, apart from this, anyone who is having computers, okay, or apart from this, let's say anyone who is having physical education, every topic for 11 12 students, physics, chemistry, maths, bio, for commerce students, your accountancy, your business studies, everything is covered on Unacademy. And the great part is, guys, that we don't have a single educator. So it's not like that कि Unacademy पर mathematics सिर्फ मैं ही पढ़ाऊंगा. There are so many educators that we have. Mathematics के लिए we have so many teachers. English के लिए, Hindi, science, social science. So for every subject there are so many teachers, so that you can decide that from which teacher you want to study. Okay, so this is what we have. Apart from that, guys, we have regular weekly quizzes. Okay, you can always go through the weekly quizzes to analyze how you are performing, how much you are good at that particular subject or that particular topic. Then we have doubt solving live classes. What are doubt solving live classes? So I mean, whenever we are talking about any course on an academy, कोई भी plus course की अगर आप बात करोगे तो every fourth session is a doubt clearing session. So any doubt that you are having, anything you want to ask, if there is a question or if there is any concept that is not clear to you, everything guys you can ask in those classes. सारी क्लास लाइव होती हैं. अगर कुछ कंसेप्ट समझ में नहीं आया तो आप उसी समय पूछ सकते हो. यू कैन ask then and there. Okay, apart from that we have so many practice questions that you can practice. We have the test series. When I'm talking about test series, it means what? It means that there will be so many questions that you will be getting for a particular topic. अब ये टेस्ट सीरीज जो होती है दो तरीके से होती है. एक होता है आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट सीरीज, एक होता है आपका सब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट सीरीज. सर व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव, व्हाट इज सब्जेक्टिव? In case of objective test series guys, you are being prepared for your competitive examination. Let's say you want to appear for any Olympiad, तो वहां पे objective questions आते हैं. When I'm talking about your classes 9th 10th 11th and 12th, there you need to be very clear with subjective knowledge. That is why we have the subjective as well as the objective test on Unacademy. Okay, these are the subscription charges. So if you see, for your 12-month subscription you just need to pay the amount of 15,000. For 6 months 10,000. And the best part, you know, is what? Best part is this which is written over here. If you take the subscription for class 9th, तो आपको 9th के साथ 10th 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री में मिलेगा. Which means if you are going for the subscription of 6 months, if you are going for the subscription of 6 months for class 9th, then guys the subscription for 10th 11th and 12th will be for free. If you are going for the subscription of class 10th for let's say 6 months or 12 months, then guys the subscription for class 11th and 12th will be free for you for that particular time period. Okay, so this is the best part about Unacademy Plus. Then there are so many features. We have iconic subscription. If you need personal mentor, अगर आपको personal mentor भी चाहिए जो कि आपकी हर एक requirement का take care करेगा, you can anytime have a session with him or her, and he or she will be taking care of whatever needs that you are having as far as your subject knowledge is concerned, any topic is concerned. So he'll take care of that. So these are the prices that we have for iconic subscription. Then we have something very interesting, that is creative corner. Okay, so here you can learn multiple skills, different skills you can learn. For example, you can learn Vedic maths, you can learn poetry, storytelling, robotics, public speaking, magic tricks, debating, and blah blah. So many skills are there that you can learn in your free time, and it's a kind of extracurricular activities that you can say, right? So these are all the properties that we have already told you. Now guys, I think we should begin with our kahani, and these are all the batches that we are having right now on Unacademy. All these batches are running on Unacademy. Okay, all these batches you can be a part of. आप सारे batch join कर सकते हो, आप सारे courses join कर सकते हो, you can take all the classes. So this is how it works. And now I would like to proceed with the kahani that we have for today. Okay, all of you guys please focus over here. Okay, so let's start with some of the basic formulas that we have. Let's have a quick revision for them, and then we'll be talking about the questions that we have for the day. So when I'm talking about surface areas and volumes, guys, everyone please focus over here. Let's start with the very simple figure that I'm having, and that very simple figure is my cuboid. When I'm talking about my cuboid, guys, this is the kind of shape that we have for the cuboid. Okay, this is the kind of shape that we have for the cuboid, if I'm not wrong. This is the kind of cuboid that I have. If I'm talking about the dimensions of this cuboid, guys, this is my length L. If you see, this is my breadth B, and if you see, guys, this is my height, that is H. Are we clear? So these are the dimensions that we are having of my cuboid LBH. Okay, अगर आप देखो तो इस LBH के लिए, if I want to define the volume, guys, then what is the volume? We all know that volume of the cuboid is what? Volume of cuboid is nothing but L into B into H. Now please focus. Let's talk about the area. When I'm talking about the surface area, guys, there are two types of surface area. First is the total surface area. What is total surface area? To find out the total surface area, you'll have to find out how many surfaces are there. If you look at this figure, focus. There is one lower surface which is over here that you can see, and this lower surface is having L and B. So the area of this lower surface will be what? It will be L into B. If you focus over here on this upper surface, guys, then the area of this upper surface will also be what? It will also be L into B. So I am having L into B plus L into B. In the same way, guys, if you focus over here, this area that I'm having, that you can see, this side one, this area is actually is actually having the area what? This side is having the area as B into H. Let me write them down. In the same way, if I'm talking about the exactly opposite side, like this one, this is having the same area. That is what? That is plus B into H. Yes or no, guys? Are we clear with this, everyone? Please tell me. Everyone got the point? All the students out there clear? And now if I simply add the area of my front face, बिल्कुल सामने वाला face, ये पूरा सामने वाला face, this whole face that you can see, area of this face is nothing but L into H plus area of the back face, बिल्कुल इसके पीछे वाला face जो है, this one, that will again be what? That will again be L into H. Are you clear with this or not, guys? Got the point? So this is how you can talk about what? This is how you can talk about your total surface area, and your total surface area will therefore be coming out as 2 times of L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Are we clear with this TSA or not? Everyone got it? Okay, so this is how we can define the total surface area of my cuboid. Abhi dusri cheez samjho. Now guys, if I'm talking about what? Now let's say if I'm talking about, just a moment. Now guys, if I'm talking about what? If I'm talking about only the lateral surfaces, तो आप सब अभी room में बैठे होंगे. I'm damn sure you all must be sitting in a room. And if you just look around that room that you are into right now, you can clearly see that in that room you are having 4 walls, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you are having the roof, that is what we call ceiling, and you have the floor. So if you just remove the ceiling and the floor, if you just remove the ceiling and the floor, then you are having 4 walls. When you simply talk about the area of these 4 walls, when you simply talk about the area of these 4 walls, that is what we call lateral surface area. That is what we call lateral surface area. And to write down my lateral surface area, what I will say, lateral surface area will be the area of this face, this front face, and this back face. इन लेटरल सरफेस एरिया में ऊपर और नीचे का एरिया नहीं लूंगा. सो ये जो आपका एल बी और एल बी है, एल बी ऑफ द लोअर फेस एंड एल बी ऑफ द अपर फेस, दैट विल बी रिमूव्ड and it will come out as what? It will be BH plus BH plus LH plus LH. So your LSA will come out as 2 times of BH plus HL. This is your lateral surface area and this is your total surface area. Are we clear with this, everyone? Yes or no, guys? Please tell me. Everyone got the point? Is that clear to all of you? Just a moment, guys. Okay guys, so assuming that you all are clear with this, let's proceed forward. Okay, आगे चलते हैं. Let's talk about the next kahani that we have over here. Now the next thing that I would like to discuss is what? The small brother of your cuboid. And जो छोटा भाई cuboid का होता है, that is nothing but what? That is nothing but, just a moment. Okay guys, this is the another thing that I have, and this is what I'm talking about, my cube. Cube is exactly behaving like what? Cube is exactly behaving like your cuboid. बिल्कुल डिट्टो क्यूब की cuboid की तरह behave करेगा. In case of cuboid, if you remember what we have L, we have B, we have H. In case of cube as well, we will be having L, we will be having B, and we will be having H. The only difference between cube and cuboid is that in case of cube, guys, I repeat, In case of cube, my L will be equal to B, it will be equal to H, which I am assuming to be A. Are you clear? This will be the scenario in case of cube. ये आपका क्यूब का सिनेरियो होगा in which your L, B and H will be equal to A. That is what we call your side length. So in case of cube, all the sides are equal to what? All the sides are equal to your A units. इसीलिए if I'm talking about the volume, please focus guys, if you remember the volume of cuboid is what? It's L into B into H. So if you are talking about L into B into H, because L, B and H all are A, so you will simply say volume of the cube is A cube. If I'm talking about the total surface area, what will that be guys? In order to find out the total surface area, what you will say, again focus, you will simply say it is 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. If you write this down guys, it will be coming out as 2 times of A square plus A square plus A square. Are we clear with this or not guys? Everyone got the point? Each and everyone, are you clear with this? Okay, so this is what you will be having. Why? Because LB both are A, BH both are A and HL both are A, so it will be 2 times of A square plus A square plus A square, and hence from here your TSA will come down as 6A square. This is going to be your total surface area. And in the same way, if I want to find out my lateral surface area, that will be what? That will be nothing but 2 times of LH plus HB. That will again be 2 times of A square plus A square. That is nothing but 4A square. This is your LSA. Okay guys, so this is how we talk about what? This is how we talk about cube. If you see, it is exactly the same cuboid that I'm talking about. The only difference is कि यहाँ पे सारे फॉर्म्स के अंदर, सारे फॉर्मूले के अंदर मेरा L, मेरा B और मेरा H क्या हो जाएगा? सेम हो जाएगा. This is what we have. Okay, now let's quickly talk about some questions based on your cube and cuboid, and then we will be proceeding forward and we will talk about our cylinders. Okay, so now let's quickly talk about some of the questions that we can have based on this. So let's talk about, not this one. Okay guys, so if you talk about this question over here, very simple question that you can see on the screen right now. I just need to find out the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a cuboid whose length is 80 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. So if you just look at this question over here, you can clearly see that the length is given to you as 80. Okay, the breadth is given to you as what? Breadth is given to you as 40 and height is given to you as what? Height is given to you as 20 centimeter. If I want to find out the lateral and total surface area, then guys, it's very simple. Total surface area will be what? It will be 2 times of LB in plus BH plus HL. So it will be 2 times of 80 into 40 that you can see over here. Then I'm having 40 into 20 and then you have plus 20 into 80. That will simply give you 2 times of 5600 and that will give you 11200 centimeters square as your final total surface area. Am I clear with this or not? Everyone out there guys, all the students out there, are we clear with this? You got it? So that is how I can talk about what? That is how I can talk about my total surface area. If I'm talking about my lateral surface area, what will that be? समझो, it is gonna be 2 times of LB plus BH. वही same है, बस H common लेके इन्होंने इस form में लिखा है. That will be what? That will be your 2 times of 80 into 20 plus 40 into 20. That will give you 40 times of 120. That is 4800 centimeters square. Now, the second question that we are having over here guys is this, that we want to find out the total surface area, lateral surface area and let's say the volume of your cube having the edge length as 10. So when I'm talking about this question guys, let's do it over here. Understand? So edge length is given to me as 10 centimeter. When edge length is 10, I can simply say volume of my cube will be A cube, that is nothing but 10 cube, that is nothing but 1000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cube. If I'm talking about my total surface area guys, then total surface area will be equal to what? 6 times of A square. That will be equal to what? 6 into 10 square. That will give you 6 into 100 and that will be equal to 600 centimeters square. And in the same way, if I'm talking about my lateral surface area guys, then that will be equal to 4A square. which is 4 into 10 ka square, and that will give you 4 into 100, and that will basically be 400 centimeter square. Are we clear with this, everyone? Yes or no, guys? Got the point? Making sense to all of you? ठीक है. अभी मान लो, let's say that the question is saying one more thing. Let's say the question is saying that find let's say this is what my question is, that I want to find the cost of painting the walls. I want to find out the cost of painting the walls at the rate of 5 rupee per meter square and ceiling at the rate of 7 rupee per meter square. That is what my question is. So if you focus over here, guys, right now you can see that my question is what? Let's make it centimeter, okay? Now if you see, my question over here is what? My question over here is that I want to find the cost. In order to find out the cost, you need to see कि आप जो painting कर रहे हो, painting is being done on the walls. Now, how many walls do we have? We have exactly 4 walls, and if I talk about the total area of these 4 walls, that is exactly what? That is exactly equal to the lateral surface area. So I will simply say area of 4 walls is what? Area of 4 walls is equal to LSA, lateral surface area, and that is nothing but 400 centimeter square. Are we clear? That is nothing but 400 centimeter square that you can see over here. Now guys, if you see, the rate of painting the walls is ₹5 per centimeter square. So if I say the total cost, please focus, 1 centimeter square के लिए क्या है? 1 centimeter square के लिए total cost of painting 4 walls. So if you look at the cost of painting for, you know, a small area of 1 centimeter square, that is ₹5. So the cost of painting for your 400 centimeter square, that will be what? 5 into 400, and your answer will be coming out as what? 5 4s are 20, that will be 20,000. That's all, 2,000. So you will be having 2,000 rupees as the cost of painting 4 walls. Now guys, let's say if I want to talk about what? If I want to talk about my ceiling, could you please tell me that when I'm talking about my ceiling, what will be the area of the ceiling over here? If you see, guys, this is my ceiling. This is my ceiling that I'm having. And for this particular ceiling, if you see, the area is going to be A square. Cool. Which means what? Which means that there is the area which is equal to A square, जो मुझे क्या करना है? जो मुझे यहाँ पर ceiling पे paint करना है. So now I will say area of ceiling is what? Area of ceiling is nothing but 10 square, that will be your 100 centimeter square. And now guys, cost will be what? Cost will be nothing but area into rate, that is equal to ₹700. So the cost of painting the ceiling is 700, the cost of painting 4 walls is 2,000. Total cost, if you want to find out, will be what? Total cost, final cost will be coming out as 2,700 rupees. Are you clear with this, guys? So this is how we can talk about these simple questions if we have been given them in such kind of scenarios. Everyone got it, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Make sense to all of you? Let's talk about the next kahani that we have in just a moment. Sorted. Okay guys, so you all can do this question now. This is simple. See, I just want to find out the ratio. I just want to find out the ratio of the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cube. Okay, so when I'm talking about the total surface area of the cube, what will that be? If you see, total surface area of the cube will be what? It is gonna be 6a square. Okay, and when I'm talking about the lateral surface area of the cube, it is gonna be 4a square. Now guys, when I'm talking about the ratio of total surface area to the lateral surface area, that will be 6a square ratio 4a square. That will be 6 ratio 4, and from here you will be getting your answer as 3:2. Are we clear? Simple question. Okay, let's talk about the next question, guys. The next question says what? Please focus. So it's a NCERT question. It's a good one. Let's talk about this. Mary wants to, let's read out the question first and foremost. Mary wants to decorate. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden block covered with colored papers with a picture of Santa Claus on it. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth, and height as 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 20 centimeter respectively, then how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require? Are we clear with that, guys? If you focus, so the question is saying that Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. Okay, Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree, and she wants to place the tree on a wooden block. एक wooden block है, एक पूरा wooden सा block बना रखा है, उसके ऊपर वो उस Christmas tree को रखने वाली है. Okay, अभी क्या हो रहा है, जो वुडन ब्लॉक बनाया है जस्ट टू गिव इट अ गुड लुक, वो क्या कर रही है, वो उस वुडन ब्लॉक को कलर्ड पेपर से कवर कर रही है. ओके, शी इज कवरिंग द वुडन ब्लॉक विथ कलर्ड पेपर. नाउ that colored paper is having the picture of Santa Claus on it. That's fine. Now guys, the point is that she wants to buy that colored paper from the market. In order to buy that colored paper from the market, she needs to know the exact quantity of paper कि उसको कितना पेपर खरीदना है. When she wants to cover that wooden block, she needs to ensure कि उसको कितना पेपर खरीदना है, उतना ही exact पेपर लेके आएगी जितना कवर करना है. So now if you see, if the box has length, breadth and height as 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively, अगर बॉक्स का लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट आपको 80, 40, 20 गिवन है, then how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require? तो एक बारी मैं फटाफट से डायमेंशन लिखता हूं, फिर हम इस क्वेश्चन को करते हैं. 80, 40, 20 and 40. Okay guys, so I'm having 80, 40, 20 and then you have 40. Understand? So when I'm talking about the box is having dimension as 80 into 40 into 20 centimeter. This is the dimension of the box. Okay, the length of the box is 80, breadth 40 and the height of the box is 20. And if I'm talking about the dimension of the square sheet, okay, I have been given that square sheet is what? A square sheet is having the side equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, now understand this question guys. इस क्वेश्चन को जब आप समझेंगे, बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. दिस इज, आई विल सिंपली फाइंड आउट द, सी दिस इज माय वुडन ब्लॉक्स. This is my wooden block that I'm talking about, and over here we are having what? We are having the Christmas tree. Cool. So this wooden block is to be decorated. इस wooden block को decorate करने के लिए I'm using this square sheet. So what I'll do, I will simply find out the total surface area. I will simply find out the total surface area of what? Total surface area of this wooden block. Because if I have the total surface area of the wooden block, एग्जैक्टली उतना ही एरिया का मुझे क्या चाहिए होगा, एग्जैक्टली उतने ही एरिया का मुझे क्लोथ चाहिए होगा, मुझे स्क्वायर शीट चाहिए होगा. सो आई विल सिंपली से total surface area of what? Total surface area of your wooden block is, so it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 2 times of LB, then plus BH, and then plus HL. This is gonna be the total surface area of the wooden block. So I can simply say, this is what I can say. Just a moment guys. Just a moment. So I can simply say that this total surface area will be 2 times of 80 into 40. That will be 2, 8 4s are 32, 3200. plus 4 into 2, that is 20. 4 2s are 8, sorry, not 20, 800. Then you have plus 20 into 80, that is nothing but 1600. Are you clear? This is going to be the total surface area, and this total surface area will be what? 2 times of, you can simply add them, 4000, 5600, that will come out as 0, 0. Then you are having 12, then you are having 10, 11. This is the total surface area. Your total surface area came out as what? It came out as 11200 centimeter square. This is your total surface area. Are we clear with this, everyone? Everyone got this point? Sabko clear hai? Total surface area of this wooden block is what? Total surface area of this wooden block came out as your 11200 centimeter square. अभी दूसरी बात जो मुझे करनी है वो क्या करनी है? That when I'm talking about this wooden block, guys, you need to understand one thing, that this wooden block का ये जो पूरा area है 11200, I'm covering it using this square sheet. Okay. Now, if you see, a square sheet will be covering some part of the area. Let's say मेरा एक square sheet है इतना area cover करा, second है इतना, third ने इतना, then fourth ने इतना. So basically every square sheet will cover some area. So if I find out the area of one square sheet, I will be able to find out that how much area will be covered by one square sheet. Let's find out the area. Area of the square sheet will be what? It will be a square, and a square is nothing but 1600 centimeter square. Okay. Area of square sheet is what? So I'm doing it over here. You will simply say area of one square sheet is equal to 40 into 40, that is 1600 centimeter square. And now when you are talking about number of square sheets, then number of square sheets will be what? Number of square sheets will be equal to this total area 11200 divided by 1600. Solve it, get your answer. This is gone. 16 times what, Haji? Kitni times jayega? 160, 80, and then you have 32, right? 8, 7 times it's gone. And you exactly need how many sheets? You exactly need 7 sheets to cover your entire block. Okay, पूरे ब्लॉक को कवर करने के लिए आपको कितने शीट्स चाहिए? You need exactly 7 sheets. अब मान लो कॉस्ट भी अगर गिवन होता, let's say you have been given that the cost of one sheet is what? Cost of one sheet is given to you as 100 rupees. So in that case, what you would have said? You would have said that the cost of 7 sheets will be what? Cost of 7 sheets will be equal to 700 rupees. Are we clear with this or not? Everyone got it? Okay, so this is how I can talk about what? This is how I can talk about the questions like this, in which we can have all the information given to us. Everyone clear? All the students out there, guys, please respond. Are we clear with this question or not? समझ में आ गया? Okay, so इस तरह से हम लोग इसकी बात कर सकते हैं. Now let's proceed forward. देखते हैं what next we have in the Pitara. Just a minute, guys. Let me just plug in the charger. Just one moment. Just one moment. Okay, guys, let's proceed forward. Now, when we are done with this question, let's talk about the next one that we can have over here. Just a moment. Okay, guys, now let's talk about the next question that we have in the same queue. We already did a question like this. ये question अभी just हमने किया. So if you look at this question, the length, breadth and height of the room is given to you. You need to find out the cost of whitewashing the walls. कैसे करेंगे guys? अगर walls को और ceiling को whitewash करना है, तो walls का area, okay, that will be your lateral surface area, and you are taking the area of ceiling as well. So when you are taking the area of ceiling as well, it will be what? It will be L into B. तो lateral surface area के अंदर आपका एक बार L into B add हो जाएगा, and that will be your total area. Okay. Moving forward, if we talk about the next question, this is the next question. Very good one, guys. Please focus. So three equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Okay, you have done what? You have simply placed three cubes जो कि equal हैं. Equal cubes means what? They are having the equal dimensions. The side length is same. All cubes are having the side equal to a. So I'm talking about three equal cubes, and these three equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. I need to find the ratio. I need to find the ratio of a total surface area of the new cuboid to that of the sum of the surface area of the three cubes. Samjho guys, this is a good question. So we need to find out what? We need to find out the ratio of total surface area of the new cuboid to the surface area of the three cubes ke sum. So these questions are from your RD Sharma. If anyone having any doubt in that, so you can refer to those books. Now guys, let's proceed forward. आगे चलते हैं. समझो बात को, ध्यान से सुनना. So if you see guys, this is my first cube. In the same way, if you see, this is my second cube, yes or no? This is my second cube. And in the same way, if you see, this is my third cube. Am I clear with this, everyone? Yes or no? So I'm having exactly three cubes that you can see. Understand, guys, please focus. These three cubes are exactly identical, exactly equal. Means what? Means that the side length of this is A, the side length of this cube is A, and the side length of this cube is also A. All the cubes are having side length equal to A. This is equal to A, this is equal to A, this is equal to A, and the width of all the cubes is equal to A. अभी मैंने क्या करा, इनको मैंने side by side, मतलब एक cube ये है, then the next one is this, then the next one is this. इस तरीके से I just side by side I joined them, just like you are standing here, your friend here, your next friend here. That's how side by side you had these cubes. Now guys, if you focus, if you look at this figure is giving you what? Figure is giving you a full-fledged cuboid, yes or no? You are having a full-fledged cuboid over here. Can you see that? And if you talk about this cuboid, samjho, in this cuboid, the new cuboid that you are getting, that new cuboid is having the length as what? The length is A plus A plus A. That is 3A. This cuboid is having the breadth as what? Focus. Nothing but A. If you see, the breadth is A. And this cuboid is having the height as what? This cuboid is having the height as A. Are we clear with this, everyone? You getting my point? Each and every student out there, guys, I hope that you are clear with that. Now let's proceed. जब ये मेरा नया cuboid जो है उसके dimensions हैं, so I can clearly say now that total surface area will be what? Total surface area is equal to, focus guys, 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Let's put the values. 2 times of LB will be what? 3A square. BH will be what? A square. HL will be what? 3A square. If you focus guys, this will be giving you 2 times of 6, 7, 7A square, that is 14A square. तो आपके पास जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया आया क्यूबॉइड का, जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया आया क्यूबॉइड का, दैट इज 14A square. ठीक है. नाउ if you are talking about this particular case over here, अगर आप अब इसकी बात करो, that will be what? समझो. So you will simply say what guys? You will simply say, okay, cool. Yep. So if you are talking about this particular case guys, please focus. In this particular case, if you see, now I want to find out the total surface area of these three cubes, और उसके बाद मैं ऐड करूंगा. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस एक क्यूब की बात करूं, then the total surface area of this cube is what? 6A square. Total surface area of only this cube is what? 6A square. And the total surface area of only this cube is what? 6A square. Which means the sum of the total surface areas of all these cubes will be 18A square. Are we clear? And now guys, if I want to find out the ratio, what will be the ratio? Ratio will be 14A square upon 18A square. That will simply give me 7 upon 9. This is the ratio of the total surface area of cuboid to the sum of the total surface area of these three cubes. Are we clear with this or not? Every student out there guys, please respond. Each and everyone who can hear me right now, are we clear with this, guys? Okay, please confirm that in the comment section whenever you're gonna comment. Please confirm me, बताना मुझे बाद में कि आपको समझ में आया या नहीं. Okay, now let's move forward. आगे चलते हैं. Let's talk about the next question that we have over here. Just a moment. All sorted. Let's go for the next question. And the next question is over here. Now, guys, this is the next question that I'm having. A 4 centimeter cube. Focus, guys. बात समझो मेरी. ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनो. Very interesting question. A 4 centimeter cube is cut into 1 centimeter cubes. You are having a 4 centimeter cube. आपके पास एक क्या था? आपके पास एक 4 centimeter का क्यूब था. एंड आपने उस 4 सेंटीमीटर के क्यूब को क्या करा? आपने इस 4 सेंटीमीटर के क्यूब को कट किया 1 सेंटीमीटर के क्यूब्स में. ओके, यू कट दैट इन 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब्स. नाउ you need to find out what? You need to find out the total surface area of all the small cubes. अब आपको वो सारे स्मॉल क्यूब्स का जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया है वो निकालना है कि उन सारे स्मॉल क्यूब्स का टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होगा. Let's talk about it. Now, guys, the biggest misconception that students have over here is this कि मेरे पास जो बड़ा क्यूब था that was the cube having the side as 4 centimeter. And मेरे पास जो small cubes हैं, they are the cubes which are having the side as what? Which are having the side as 1 centimeter. So the biggest misconception that students have, is कि सर अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर वाले छोटे हैं और बड़ा वाला 4 का है, तो यानी कि मेरे पास 4 सेंटीमीटर से 4 छोटे क्यूब बन जाएंगे. एंड उसके बाद मैं एरिया फाइंड कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन एड इट. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मिसकंसेप्शन. ऐसा नहीं होता. क्यों नहीं होता समझो. When I'm talking about my bigger cube, guys, let's say this is my bigger cube. Let's assume that this is my bigger cube. I hope you all can see this bigger cube. This is my bigger cube. However, it is looking like a cuboid, but let's assume this is a cube. If you see this as a cube, guys, understand, if this is 4, अगर ये 4 है, ये 4 है और ये 4 है, please focus. Out of this 4, I can have what? I can have 1, 2, 3 and this 4. I can have 1, 2, 3 and this 4. So if you see, guys, this is what I will be having. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. ज़्यादा बन गए. So if you see, what I'm trying to tell you is that 1 cube of 1 centimeter will be of this shape. 1 cube of 1 centimeter will be of this shape over here. Okay, in the same way, 1 cube of 1 centimeter will be of what? Will be of this shape over here. Are you getting my point, what I'm saying? In the same way, 1 cube will exactly be over here. एक cube आपका यहाँ पर exactly होगा. So this is how what I can do. This is how I can talk about n number of cubes that will be there. So point ये है कि आप ये नहीं बोल सकते that out of this 4 centimeter cube there will be 4 cubes of 1 centimeter. No. You will simply say that if I am having n number of cubes of 1 centimeter, then the volume of those small cubes having 1 centimeter as side is equal to the volume of this big cube having 4 centimeter as the side. So I will find out the volume of this cube. That will be 4 cube, that is 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64 centimeter cube. This is the volume of what, guys? This is the volume of my big cube. And this 64 centimeter cube will be what? This will be equal to the total volumes of n cubes of side 1 centimeter. That will be n times of 1 cube. So if you see from here, n will come out as 64. और इसका मतलब साफ साफ क्या है? इसका मतलब साफ साफ ये है that there are exactly 64 cubes of 1 centimeter I can make. Exactly 64 cubes मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Exactly 64 cubes 1 centimeter dimension के मैं prepare कर सकता हूँ when I'm having a big cube of 4 centimeter side length. Are we clear? I repeat, if I'm having the big cube of 4 centimeter side length, then I can exactly make 64 cubes of side 1 centimeter. और मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे इन्हीं 64 cubes का total surface area find करना है. Just a moment. So now I just want to find out what, guys? Now I just want to find out the total surface area of all these cubes. Let's do that quickly, everyone. Let's do it, guys. So when I'm talking about this, क्या करेंगे? Focus. Let's make the small cube over here. This is my small cube. एक का find करो, 64 से multiply करो. This is my small cube. 1, 1, and 1. So total surface area will be what? Total surface area will be equal to, I can say, 6 times of a square. That is 6 times of 1 square. That is nothing but 6 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of one cube. And now, guys, total surface area of 64 cubes will be what? That will be equal to 64 into 6. That will be 6 fours are 24. 2 carries 36. 384 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of all the cubes. Are we clear with this or not? Everyone got the point, guys? Are you clear with that? Okay, so that is how we can talk about this simple question that we were having over here. This is how we can do this. Now let's proceed forward and let's talk about the next question that we are having over here. The next question is not, yeah. So let's talk about one more question. Okay, guys, very simple question. The length of a hall. The length, I'm talking about a hall. So every hall that you can see, you must be sitting in a room or anywhere where you see the room or the hall. Every hall is in the shape of a cuboid, right? This room is in the shape of a cuboid. So now, when I'm talking about any hall, uska length मुझे given है 18 meter, and the width of the hall is given to me as 12 meter. Okay, length is given to me as 18 meter, and width of the hall is given to me as 12 meter. I want to find out, guys, see, sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof is equal to the sum of the areas of four walls. मुझे given है कि अगर मैं चारों walls के area को add करूं, that will be equal to the sum of the areas of roof and your floor. So I want to find out that what is the height of the hall. Very simple question. I just want to find out what? I just want to find out that what will be the height of the hall. Okay, so let's do it. 18, 12. That's all. 18 is length and width is 12. Let's do this question. So guys, length of the hall is given to me as 18 meter and width of the hall is given to me as 14 meter. Am I correct? It's 14, right? Not 12 or 12. It's 12. Yeah, cool. So guys, I will simply say length is equal to 18 centimeter and breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Now if you see, it is given to me that area, height ko maine h mana. Now area of four walls is equal to what? Area of four walls is equal to area of what? Area of four walls is equal to area of roof plus floor. If you look at this, guys, area of four walls is what? When I'm talking about area of four walls, that is literal surface area, and that is 2 times of LH plus what? Plus HB. This is area of four walls. Everyone clear? Now if I'm talking about area of roof and floor, that will be what? That will be LB, that is the area of roof, and I'm having LB, that is the area of your floor. Are we clear with this, guys? If you look at this over here, I can simply say that this is nothing but what? This is nothing but, you can write over here 2 times of LH plus HB is equal to 2 times of LB. 2 and 2 cancel. You have LH. Let's put LH, guys. LH में H नहीं पता, HB में नहीं पता, LB पता है. LB is 18 into 12, so I can say L is 18. It will be 18 times of H plus, guys, focus, 18 times of H plus nothing but what? 12 times of H is equal to L into B. 18 into 12, that will be what? 180 plus 36, that is nothing but 216. Are we clear with this, guys? You got it? This is what I'm having. 18H plus 12H is what? 18H plus 12H is nothing but 216. Now guys, from here what I can say, this will simply give me 30H is equal to 216, and from here your H will come out as 216 upon 30. Let's solve it. This is gone by 3, 7, and your 2 and this is gone by 310 times, your h will come out as 7.2 centimeter. This is the height of what? This is the height of your room, of your hall that you are talking about. Okay, तो इस तरह से हम लोग इन questions की बात करते हैं. This is how we talk about these questions. I hope that you all are clear with all these questions that we discussed today. Okay, so guys, all of you can join me on Unacademy Plus. Let's quickly talk about some of the formulas for cylinder as well, so that whenever we meet in the next class, we can quickly talk about questions based on cylinders. If I'm talking about a cylinder, guys, we all know this is my cylinder. How this cylinder is formed? बहुत आसान तरीका. You are having a rectangular sheet. You are having a rectangular sheet of height h. Okay, and this length of the sheet was actually L, which is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so now when you folded this sheet, जब आपने इस sheet को fold करा, you got what? You got the cylinder. So अगर मुझे इसका area find करना हो, that will be L into h, and that will be nothing but 2 pi r into h, and that is the area of your cylinder. That is why we say that when I'm talking about curved surface area, ये पूरा area, this curved surface area of the cylinder is what? That is nothing but 2 pi r h. But when I'm talking about the total surface area of my cylinder, what will that be, समझो? When I'm talking about total surface area, that will be including this curved surface area, and along with that curved surface area, that will be including the area of the top and the area of the bottom, and that will come out as, guys, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Why 2 pi r square? Because area of this face is pi r square and the area of this face is pi r square. Are we clear with this or not, guys? Got the point? Is it making sense to you? In the same way, if I want to talk about the volume of my cylinder, that will be what? Understand? Area of the base. Volume is base area into height. Volume is base area into height. So base area is nothing but pi r square and height is h. So volume will be pi r square h. How many of you got this? Okay, so this is how we can talk about what? This is how we can talk about all these kahanis that we have over here. I hope that you all are clear with these kahanis that we just discussed. Okay, so that is all from my side, guys, for today. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being in the session very patiently. I hope that you must have understood a lot of things. Please do not forget to follow my profile on Unacademy so that you can get all the notifications for my courses. This is my code that you can see, guys, Suyash Life. You can use this code, okay, to take your Unacademy Plus subscription, and you will be getting flat 10% discount on the subscription charges. Very less time remaining now in your exams, and we are starting with so many booster courses which will help you to get good marks and perform good in your examinations. So that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any doubt, you can post that. So because I mean, it's always accessible to you, the session on YouTube, so you can always post your doubts in the comment section, and whenever I'll be getting time, I'll for sure respond on your doubts. Also, you can message me on Unacademy learning application. There's a messaging app that we have over there. वहाँ से आप मुझे message कर सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया, I will be responding over there. Or you can attend my special classes, and there you can ask your doubts if you don't want to take an Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much, and let's call it a day. Cool. Okay, that's all.